Hi everyone, today is June 14, 2020. Uh, it's been it's almost 4 months, 3 months since I planted this. I planted this cassava um, first week of March, a few months ago, and now it's June. So the first video I showed you was um, my banana was just a week old. I mean, cassava, not sorry, not banana. It's cassava. Was about a week old, but I want to give you an update. Now this is few months old, and this is how the cassava is growing now. Um, they're already big. This is the umbrella of this cassava now. I think this is halfway the height um, until I will harvest this on November. So right now this is how tall they are, and this is what they look like now. And yeah, I think this is halfway now, the height of this, and this is how it grows. I fertilize this once, and so far it's been doing good. It's growing the way it should be, very green, and uh, they're growing very well. In the rest of this is my banana trees. These are my garden. This is purple yam. This is not part of the cassava, but I just wanna show you my garden. Purple yam. This is uh, Asian potato. We call it kamote in the Philippines. I have zucchinis here, green onions. I have gourd, which we call it opo in the Philippines. They don't have fruits yet, don't have vegetables yet. And is the bird still there? I don't want to move it. So because we have doves here that's displaced from the nest, I don't want to disturb them. They're right now they're hanging out in my garden, and I want to leave them alone. I don't want to disturb them. They're already disturbed from predator who ate their eggs. Show them away, scare them away from their nest. So but this is my garden. I have tomatoes, I have um, gingers. These are my ginger. This is Thai ginger. Those are the birds that was um, that build nest by our window and our fence, but the other birds eat their eggs. So that's Thai ginger. This is my regular ginger. This is my lofa. No fruits yet. Lofa. These are our blueberries. We already harvested. We had a lot of harvest this year. Blueberries. Here's my tomatoes. We had a lot of tomatoes too. This is my moringa, malunggay in the Philippines. It's called malunggay, but it's moringa. I have okras, bell pepper, I have eggplants, I have taros, I have shishu mints, Japanese mint. I have turmerics there, the white um, two leaves. Those are turmerics. This is Japanese mint. That's my muscadine grapes. So you're getting a quick tour on my little garden. These are muscadine grapes. I have some fruits here that's growing muscadine grapes. I have bitter melon here. I have bay leaves. I have Malabar. Uh, where did they go? The bird.
Oh, I don't know.
These are Malabar, alugbate. This is bay leaves. Bay leaves. And I have more plants here. These are my Asian cucumber. We call it pipino. They're starting to have buds. Kaffir lime, taro, my roses. And I have more plants here. My calamansi. This is Thai hemp. It has a sour fruit. It's sour. This is edible. You can eat this. It's sour. This is insulin plants. I have insulin plants. I have newly growing soursop, guyabano, and another moringa, malunggay. This is jackfruit. I planted the seed here. This is an experiment since we have winter here. That's why I keep it in the pot because they won't survive on the ground because it gets cold in winter since this is a tropical plant. So I keep it in the pot experimenting. I'll see if this one will grow and bear fruit and this will be productive. It's an experiment. Another jackfruit. This is I'm starting to make a bonsai. Um, this is Japanese, a Japanese pine tree bonsai. So, okay, this is my garden. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and post any comments if you have comments. I'll update next time. Bye.